Today I'm going to show you how to make this bohemian double circle wall hanging. So let's go. Okay, so this is what we've got. Our little 2-hooped hanger. And I ended up making a massive tassel. So what I'm gonna do now is I've got 2 pieces here. I've got my small hoop with my long pieces of wool. And so I'm just gonna tidy that up first. And I'm just gonna tidy up the bottom. Throw it on the floor. I feel like I'm cutting hair. I'd rather do this than cut hair. Okay, so that's tidy, and then we're gonna flop him up somewhere. And then, see down here, there's already a natural kind of crest, so we're just gonna tidy up the crest as well. With these scissors that aren't great, but that will do. Okay. So then, when we pull this down, it should look nice and neat. We just play with him a little bit, make him look cute. Bring the tassel in the middle. We've got the big tassel, we've got a little grey tassel here, little grey dude, and a little white dude, just to bring something different with beads on them. So that's it. I really recommend using thick wool if you want to like just do it really quickly. Yeah, so that's what you can do with 2 golden hoops for $3 from Kmart. All right, I think that's still a little bit too long, so I'm going to just cut it a little bit more. Whoops. That. All right, there we go. So now what do you reckon? I think it looks great. Yeah,